Hello, I am Mikita and today I am going to talk about a very important topic which is directly related to your personality. And what is that? That is energy. Energy is so infectious that it can make a real good first time impression. It can really be infectious and you can be a talk of the town just because of your energy. Because your energy is so high, you are so lively, you are so, full of energy, and that is why life is going to be good with you. You can utilize your energy for doing whatever you want to do. But everybody once in their lifetime might have, faced this thing where you do not want to do anything. You are just very low on energy. You are grumpy, you are irritated, your mood is bad. That is because of the low energy, and that is because of the wrong food that you might be eating. So let us see 5 main things that is going to have a major impact on your energy. Let's start. First and the most important thing is that you need to skip your simple carbohydrates. There is no dearth of option in the market where there are so many energy drinks and energy bars and energy balls and energy shakes and God knows whatever is available in the market. But actually you do not need them. What happens with high amount of simple carbohydrate intake is increase in your blood glucose level, which subsequently triggers your pancreas to release good amount of insulin. Now insulin will make sure that all this glucose is absorbed by all the cells of your body, all the tissues of the body takes up this glucose, and then there is no more glucose. Again you will crave for more amount of simple carbohydrate, and that's a vicious cycle, and it is never going to end until and unless you make a pledge today that you want high energy, and for that matter you will have only complex carbohydrate. And what are this complex carbohydrate? Your whole grains, your whole pulses, your vegetables and fruits. No fruit juices. This will give you slow, steady but continuous release of glucose through many hours, which will give you a sustained energy through long hours, and you will be free to do whatever you want to do with that energy. Second most important thing is iron. Iron is very, very important because it carries oxygen to various parts of your body. If you starve your cells from the oxygen, they really do not want to work for you then. Right? So you need to make sure that you have good amount of iron in your food. There are 2 types of iron, heme iron and non-heme iron. Heme iron, which is found in non-vegetarian food like meat, chicken, fish, while non-heme iron is found in vegetarian food such as vegetable, grain, beans. They are rich sources of iron. Now heme iron gets really easily absorbed in our body. Non-heme iron takes some time because there are certain type of inhibitors which are there. Said that we have to make sure that the consumption of iron is in accordance with vitamin C. If you will have good amount of vitamin C, then it will improve your iron absorption in the body. Also for non-vegetarians, if possible, try and consume your iron along with some amount of protein, because recent researches claim that iron from the heme sources are very well absorbed, maybe because of the protein portion. So make sure that you are having good amount of vitamin C in the form of maybe orange or amla along with your iron source and your protein, some amount of protein along with it. Okay. Apart from that, the third important thing is hydrate yourself well. Most of the people do not hydrate themselves well. They just have 2 to 3 glasses of water per day when your body is made up of 70% of water. That much amount of water is required for your body to make sure that all the metabolic processes are carried out in a smooth manner. If there is less amount of water intake, then your toxic waste material gets retained in your body and it leads to inflammation to your body. So you have to make sure that you hydrate yourself well. Whatever it is, you need to make sure that 2.5 to 3 liters for an adult male and female. That much amount of water is must and it's essential. Fourth most important thing is that you need to sleep well. If you do not sleep well, you do not give rest to your body. If your body is not able to rest, it is not able to recover, then you will definitely have no energy. During night, your body is recovering from all the stress, all the inflammation that you had throughout the day, all the wear and tear that you had throughout the day. And if you're not going to sleep well, if you're going to have late night sleeps or your sleep is disturbed, you're not going to sleep well, then it is really going to affect your health in a good manner. You'll have definitely low energy, very irritated behavior because your body has not got enough rest. So make sure that you follow a good sleep hygiene whenever possible. Apart from that, the fifth most important thing is that you need to make sure there is good amount of protein. Indian meals have been designed in such a way that they are good sources of carbohydrate, complex carbohydrate, which has now become simple carbohydrate. And they have good amount of proteins but hidden protein, which has over a period of time got eliminated from our meals by slow and steadily, because they are not very tasty food, or whatever reason it causes bloating, it causes gaseous issues, or it is very heavy, or whatever reason for that matter. We have skipped the protein portion. Protein is so very important. All our enzymes, all our hormones, all our muscle tissues, most of our organs, all are made up of protein. They are muscles, they are tissues which are made up of protein. Your body is made up of protein. And if you will not have good amount of protein, you will definitely feel low on energy. For an individual, for an adult male or an female, okay, there is a requirement of approximately 50 to 60 grams of protein per day. And for that, you need to make sure that you have an adequate amount of protein in your breakfast, lunch and dinner. And that is how you will make sure that you are high on energy. Do follow these simple tips and let me know how you are feeling on your energy part. How you are impressing people with your high energy. Do let me know. Follow these 5 simple steps and make sure that you follow this, and you have promised me that you'll skip all the simple carbohydrates, and make sure you stick to that promise. Take care, stay high on energy, live longer, live energetically. Take care, bye.